Hey, so today we're going to talk about the process of going to buy a brand new computer, whether it's a custom built PC or one that you want to buy from the retail store. Today we're going to be talking about the software side of things first. Before you go out and buy a PC, you need to figure out what you're going to be using it for. Now, the main thing that you'll be using is software. Whether it's something like Adobe Premiere, AutoCAD, a game, or some other type of software for the internet, Microsoft Office, it could be anything. You need to figure out what you're going to be using and what other components you're going to be needing before you go out and buy it. It's okay to go out and buy it straight away, but the problem is that as soon as you go out to a store, the person is going to ask you similar questions, finding out what you're going to be using it for so they can figure out what they can sell you. Now, what the salesperson will do is they'll figure out how they can help you get the PC that you're looking for. They'll ask you questions like, what products are you going to be using? What software? Now, they may not ask you anything. They might just give you a PC and go, here you go, and walk away and leave you to it. But what you need to find out is the software and figure out how to get the right machine for you. If you go onto Google and do some research and figure out the software that you're going to be using, put in your software and then put system requirements after that. And what it will do is it'll bring up in the search results a spec on what the software is going to be using for hardware side of things. So it'll give you a PC spec for the processor, the RAM, the video card, sound card maybe, storage space. All of that information is really critical to get the computer to do what you want it to do. Now, if you have a tight budget, they'll give you a minimum spec. If you look at the recommended spec, it will show you exactly what the software requires to get the software to work properly. If you underspec it too much, the software won't work exactly the way that you want it to. It'll be slow, it'll be sluggish, it'll perform badly, and it won't do the thing that you want it to do. Tomorrow, we'll be talking about the hardware side of the computer and figure out the best hardware that you can get for your budget.